Hello, this is John Bagwell. Welcome to today's training lesson on URL shorteners. Now, these six are some of the best URL shorteners in the free world. There's Bitly, which is an old favorite. It's either free or $29. For free, you get 1,000 links free and a 30-day tracking history. For $29, you get 1,500 branded links. Branded links are with the URL with a keyword, as an example. I went with Rebrandly. It's free or $29. You get 5,000 links for free or 500 branded links. That's going to take some time to use up. For $29, you get 25,000 links or 5,000 branded links. Now, tinyURL, yeah, it will shorten a URL, but I don't like the website. It's funky. I don't like it. Now, Blink, BL.INK is a flat $12. You get 10,000 branded links and 7,500 trackable links. A very good buy. T2M is $9.99 or $29.99. For $9.99, you get 5,000 links per month, or for $29.99, you get 25,000 links per month. I wouldn't do this unless I was an agency. Then there's Pretty Links, which is a plugin for WordPress. It's free. I've never gotten the pro account for $49. It's used the free account. It works very well. The other four mentions that I did include here is UL Shortener by Zapier, which is $24.99, 100 links for free, and 75 tasks per month for $24.99. I wouldn't recommend that. URLs, YOURLS, is open-face programming. You need to be a programmer to use it, because you're talking about PHP scripts and all that good stuff. And you got to host it yourself. UShort.io, it's free for 1,000 links or $8.99 for 3,000 links. That's not bad. UShort.io. And OW.ly is free. So those are all the known URL shorteners in the free world. I personally use Rebrandly. A lot of my friends use Bitly, but Rebrandly is a better buy for free, in my opinion. So there you have it. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email and I'll reply back as soon as possible. Hope you enjoy the training lesson. I'll see you in the next training video. Thank you for your time.